window. Timmy checked bed. Yay! It's over. Pastor, good. Timmy, wash up. Eat, thank you. Spring cleaning. One rainy day, Timmy's family decided to clean house. Thank you. And she made the cleaning. She made the clean the window. She made the change the bed. Yay! And she made finally the over was cooking. She made curry dinner was cooking. Then she made wash up. Enjoy. Thank you. Spring cleaning. He cleaned the windows. He changed the bed. Yeah, it's finally over. Curry dinner. Cooking. Wash up. Enjoy. Thank you. Spring cleaning. Once rainy spring day, Timmy's family was decided to clean the house. If everyone works together, we will finish soon. Timmy had a sister named Betty. She hated cleaning house. Thank you. Spring cleaning. One rainy spring day, Timmy family decide clean house. If everyone works together, finish soon. Timmy had sisters named Betty. She hated cleaning house. Betty cleaned every nook and cranny. The first floor. She would often hide behind a furniture or curtain to play. Even though her mom was scrubbing kitchen, she would always know Betty stop cleaning. Meanwhile, Timmy, in charge of cleaning second floor, first vacuumed and dusted all rug and carpet. Then he polished window. Finally, he rearranged bed and dresser in his room. Yay! Finally over. By then, a delicious curry dinner already cooking. then all wash up and enjoy in clean house. Thank you.